First thing, you can pour the vinegar in. All right.
Any type of vinegar? White wine vinegar, cider vinegar, just
We're
any
not
vinegar.
that fancy here.
Any vinegar, okay, right.
Any vinegar all together.
Okay.
Now we've just got some food colouring, so I just want you to pop that into the bottle as well, just to make things look nice. Perfect.
There you go.
And Ray, this is where the fun will begin.
The funnel big.
Plenty more stuff like this on the show, Ray. And I want you to tip the baking soda into the funnel, and it just goes down. That's it, all in. I'm going to stick the balloon on top of the bottle. On the count of 3, you're going to tip that one in, making sure all the baking soda goes down into the vinegar. I'll do these 2.
Okay.
Yeah?
Is it a race or something?
It's not a race. I kind of
okay.
built it up like a race. So
Okay, right.
So 3, 2, 1, tip them in. That's it, that's it. Get all the baking soda down in.
Look at that.
Baking soda is reacting with the vinegar and it's producing a carbon dioxide gas. And the gas wants to expand and spread out, so the pressure builds up inside the bottle and all the gas goes into the balloon and blows it up.
Hey presto.
Hey presto. Well, that's it.
Mark, thanks very much.
You're watching the
Definitely
show.
I'll get Tom and Kate to watch the show.
Brilliant. There's lots more experiments. We travel around the country to really cool places on a spaceship with an alien called Zoom.
I used to hang out with aliens.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, are they? Is Zoom?
I don't know if they're
Casinos,
related.
No.
Nah, I think
Sagan's
she's from
planet.
no,
Different
they're not
planet.
different planet.
Okay, Mark, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ray.
Theoretical physicist. He's a theoretical physicist.
Physicist.